Madam.
Who is this?
Madam.
Who are you? Please get out. Get out of my way. Keep shifting. Keep going.
Okay, ma'am.
I said get out. Oh, that's too early, please. Thank you. What's wrong with you? Please, can you stop? Stop bowing. I said stop it! Oh my goodness. Are you okay? Hey, if you do that again, I'm gonna kick your ass. Come on, get out of my way. Keep shifting, keep going. Huh. What is that on your leg? Nevertheless. Oh. I guess you're Dr. Akas. Don't bother. Your appearance says that all. Well, my name is Nurse P. Nurse P for Posh. Yeah, but you can call me Posh Nurse. I am a satisfied nurse. I did my master's in Alabama University back then in the States. Do you know the place? Any of you? Nothing. Oh, don't bother. A satisfied nurse, a professional nurse, an amplified nurse, nurse with arrogance, nurse with so much honor and dignity, a nurse with curriculum, an epitome of beauty. You can take a glass of what I So, as a professional nurse, I am here to work with you, right? And please, if I am to work with you, you have to be professional in everything. Because I am not here to bring down myself to a low level. Because what I am seeing right now, I'm not impressed one bit. So, doctor, I hope your girls are up to task. I mean, equal to task. Next, with professionals.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, please, can you show me my room or just a place where I can rest for the moment? And probably my driver will also have to chill, you know.
Be inside.
Inside where?
Huh?
Inside where?
Where?
I hope this is not a mortuary
Oh, please.
room. I beg your pardon, what did you say?
I said go inside.
Oh, you lead the way.